Hi everyone. So today I would like to share with you 4 ways of actually making cryptocurrency, or should I say 4 ways how to earn or get free cryptocurrency. You do not have to pay anything. It's all free. So I'm just going to be showing you a couple of ways that I actually made some free cryptocurrency without actually spending a cent of my own money. So these were the way that I was introduced to, and I stuck to these ways, and it actually made me a couple of bucks. Well, I would say a lot of bucks. And.com is one of my best platforms that I actually love, because I mean they pay a lot. Sometimes you can even get paid like to $5 or to $10 for just answering a short survey, which wouldn't even take you 15 minutes, just 10 minutes. So with and.com, you sign up. Once you sign up, you need a Facebook account, you need 2 Gmail accounts, you need Telegram, you need a Bitcoin wallet, and you also need an Ethereum wallet. So once you've got those 5 things, sign up on this platform. It will take approximately, say, a week to 2 weeks for your account to be verified. So there's also a process that's also involved in this platform. But once your account is verified, then you are good to go to actually start making some good bucks on earn.com. I've done over 56 surveys, and these are not long surveys. They only take like 4 minutes or 5 minutes, but not more than 5 minutes. So as you can see my history, like I've been getting paid like $1, $2, $1, $2, $3 on some. So the longer you actually stay on this platform, the more money you actually make. You can actually start making a withdrawal from this platform when you have approximately $2 going up. You actually get paid in Bitcoin. Your money will reflect in dollars, as in how much the value of the Bitcoins that you actually have on earn.com. But when you actually withdraw, it will actually go into your Bitcoin wallet. So that means they will pay you out in Bitcoin. You need to actually have a Bitcoin wallet to actually receive those Bitcoins. So if you're in South Africa, you'll probably be using Luno, which is straightforward and simple, or you can be using your Coin Direct or your Coinbase account and so forth. So the next one I would like to show you, and also one of my favorites, is pre-search. So pre-search is more of a search engine. You actually search on it, and then from there it takes you to Google, and then from there you will find all your results of what you were actually searching for. With pre-search, what I like is whenever you make a search, you actually get a token. So whatever you're searching, you search it on pre-search and just receive free tokens. These are free tokens. Let me just show you an example. For instance, I want to go into YouTube, so I'm just going to go into pre-search. I'm going to type in YouTube, and I'm going to click, and then it pops up. And then from there, where it's going to take me, it's going to take me straight to Google. And then from Google, I can just go straight into YouTube. So this is one of the best search engines that I use, because I know it's linked with Google. I know whatever I want to search, I'm getting paid for what I'm searching, rather than using straightforward Google, whereby I'm not even receiving a cent. I can use pre-search. Compile your tokens, use it for over a year. And the more you actually search, the more tokens you actually get. And when the value actually goes up, that means you would have a lot of bucks just sitting, waiting for you to actually withdraw. So it's just straightforward and simple. You can search via Google, you can search via Amazon, you can search via Etherscan, DuckDuckGo, straight into Facebook or into your Twitter account, LinkedIn, and so forth. So we got pre-search, and then we got CoinDeck. So this platform is just straightforward and simple. There's no brain cracker to it. It's just straightforward and simple. For instance, I want to go into my Facebook. I just type in Facebook, click enter, bang, search. I already got more tokens just for searching, just like that. So it's just straightforward and simple. And the next one I would like to share with you will be CoinPot. I've been using CoinPot for some time now, and I must say I've been earning some coins, a lot of coins on this. I've just made some withdrawals recently, because like I've told myself, like I will claim for the whole year, and after 1 year I'm withdrawing. So as soon as the price goes up, I make my withdrawals and I sell my tokens and I receive my money. So that's how I work. So with this platform, you can actually claim Bitcoin Cash, you can claim Dogecoin, you can claim liteCoin, you can also claim some Dash. And I've been claiming since I've made a withdrawal last year, December. So at this moment, I haven't been focusing on this platform. Sometimes I just forget about it, but now and then I just jump into it and then I just go claim. So the way you actually claim with this platform is actually you first need to create your CoinPot wallet. So your CoinPot wallet would actually compile all your tokens that you're actually claiming. Everything will come into here, and then from here you can actually start making your withdrawals. The way you actually claim will be you'll actually go to Mint Bitcoin. So Mint Bitcoin is actually where you actually claim your coins. I will leave the link in the description for you. You will sign up with your CoinPot address, the same CoinPot email that you want to use, you're also going to use to sign up on Moon Bitcoin. So you just put in your email and you click in sign up, and then from there it's going to take you to the claiming page. And then from there it will tell you like how many hours you've been away and you're ready to claim, because you only allowed to claim every after 5 minutes. But what I do, I claim once a day. So I just wait for it to compile up all together, and then after 24 hours I come and I claim. So my network is giving me some issues at the moment. I'm unable to sign in, but you get the idea. I'm sure you'll get the ideas. And the next one of also my favorite, because I listen to a lot of radio when I'm bored, I listen to a lot of music when I'm bored, so will be BitRadio. So what BitRadio does, it's an online streaming platform whereby they have over 1,000 of radio stations. No matter where you are in this country, they got multiple languages. Whatever language you speak, could it be English, could it be Afrikaans, could it be Russian, could it be Spanish, could it be Chinese, could it be French. Whatever radio station that you want, you will find on this platform. It has so many radio stations, I can't even count them. So what you do, you just sign up an account with your email address, create your password, and then after, once you've done that, you need to actually download the wallet to your desktop, or if you're using a phone, I'm not too sure. I think they have a wallet for the phone. You can just download an online wallet. So once you've done that, then you search for whatever. Maybe you want to search for hip hop radio station, just search hip hop. Or you want to search for gospel, just search gospel. Or you want to search R&B, for instance. Or you want to search for R&B. They have all these radio stations just waiting for you to actually go out there and actually listen. So the more you listen, the more coins you actually make. So it's like you mining them. As soon as you click that play, you mining some coins, you mining some coins, you mining some coins, you mining some coins, you are mining some coins. And you can just let it play. Plug your system up to it, sit back and just listen to some radio while making some money. Unlike some other radio station, you're not making anything. With this, you're actually making some cash. As you can see over here, these are some radio stations that they have. I just searched for R&B, so these are the results that they're showing me. So over here, it's 3,612,000 minutes played. So people are actually listening to this radio station. You can actually see that people are using this platform. They're actually making a lot of tokens with this platform. There's a whole lot of radio station on this. I can go on for days showing you all the radio stations, but I'm not going to get into it that much. So what you can, another good option that you also have on this platform is you can search by country, or by city, or by topic, or by gems, or by charts. So it's up to you. If you want to search what's in your country, you just go to it and search what's in your country. Or you want to search by city for radio stations that are basically around your city, you can search by your city. So guys, these are all the ways that I actually started gaining free cryptocurrency. These are the ways that I actually made my first cryptocurrencies without actually spending a cent of my own money, and I'm sure this way will also work for you. So I will leave the links in the description box. Check them out, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Comment so I can actually put out more of this kind of content to y'all. I know it's educational and I'm trying my best not to get too crazy and like give you all things that require capital. I just want to go easy, like start off, because I started off at a stage whereby I had no money to actually spend on cryptocurrency. So I was always looking for ways to actually make cryptocurrency. I was actually trying to get ways of actually gaining free cryptocurrency for free without actually spending a cent of my own money. And I found these ways, and now I would like to share them with you. So guys, I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's get this money to the moon.